episode, whatever. Well, I just got U-bolts hanging out down here. Can I help you, Jello? Jello, I didn't put that there for you. You're getting evicted in a few minutes.
Look at him go. He's getting into it. He's making his bed.
He does this for like 8 minutes, and then he
won't
gets
even
mad about it, and he goes lay
yeah,
somewhere else.
He wanted. But oh, there he goes. Okay, there we go. Did I go down?
Yeah.
Whoa! Stop.
Oh my goodness, Jello.
I think you picked that up.
That's horrible.
What are you doing?
Making sure you don't feel my butt when I bend over. It's fine.
Where are you gonna put those?
Up there. Oh my goodness. That's horrible. Jello, I'm gonna have to kick you out.
Where do you put those?
Up here. What?
Put them as far back as you can in front of the CalTracs.
Yeah, I gotta put them on the subframe connectors.
Yes.
You can't put it on the axle tubes though,
Because
it's
you're
got the brace on it.
Yeah.
Even if we wanted to.
Yeah. A lot of work.
So much work.
Probably should have broke this wheel loose.
That's okay, that's what we got the power tools for.
Yeah, but I don't have that power tool here.
Where is it? Can you jack it up a little bit?
Mm-hmm.
I just didn't like the way it looked. It was probably fine.
I like how I didn't hurt that taillight.
Neither one of them really.
I'm not sure how tight those are because I had everything off after you crashed.
They're still like glass. Roll around in there. These are not tight at all.
I'm sure I had them off.
What would happen if I went and drove down the street with this? You're trying to murder me.
Are those titanium?
Yeah, because you're a freak. Oh, look at this. Look at this little thing right here that's going to help me right now. Oh, look at that. There you go, have a wheel. Yeah, I was just pulling back.
I don't need to pull that off.
Goodbye, drum brakes. Look at that. That's horrible. It's fine. What if that was it? What if this chunk fell off and got caught in here? Then I would have gone left, not right. I don't think this tire's gonna stay on this wheelie.
I don't think so either.
It's terribly quiet in here.
I don't think you need the wheelie for that one.
No, I don't. I'm gonna stay over there. We gotta do the shock sensor, shocks, inner roll bar. I wonder if the inner roll bar is still okay.
The new car's gonna have a completely different one than this. It'll be a Pro Mod style.
Oh, great. I'm never gonna hear the end of it from Brian then. How did that happen?
The wheel hit it.
Oh shit. That's intense.
Wrenches.
So tonight's plan is get this whole rear end, leaf springs, everything out. Get the car on some dollies. And tomorrow I'm gonna take all the CalTracs and take it over to Calvert and see if everything's okay. We're gonna send the shocks out to Menser. This rear end is eventually gonna go into my stick shift car. Hopefully if it's still straight and hasn't been mutilated too bad.
I think the leaf springs cushion the blow because the brackets are bent, which is good.
Hopefully.
I'll just put new brackets on it.
Hopefully everything is still usable for a street car, at least. It's gonna be a little stout for a little street car, but it's fine.
You'll find that out when you break your 8-inch at the red list.
That's a whole different story. Okay, we're gonna get to it.
What are you doing?
I'm looking at trailers to buy. Because I'm gonna have a race car, you're gonna have a race. Well, we're both gonna have 2 cars. We need a 6-car trailer. Do they make a triple stacker?
I've been demoted from my snowflake to the mirror, and you've been demoted from this car to
Stick shift.
to a slow-ass 12-second stick shift car.
13. I haven't been 12s in 8.
I think you skipped over 12s. This car went right into the 11s and then 10s.
I never went anything slower than a 10 at the track.
So you skipped 11s and 12s?
Yeah. I never went 11s, never went 12s. But I went a 13 in the stick shift car. How about that? I started off with a 10-second car. Well, I mean, it probably went 11s on the street. 11s or maybe 12s. First time I drove this car, was on the motor. Probably went 13s then, 12s.
I don't know, that motor that was in here in the mirror probably goes 11s.
In this thing?
The motor that came out of this?
In this thing though?
No, 12s,
Oh, I was
13s.
gonna say, yeah, 12s or 13s.
The mirror special, it just makes everything fast.
Put a blower on it. Oh, I'm ripping my hair out with this thing.
Okay. Oh, more titanium.
Lightweight.
They're so nice.
Lightweight. I think the rears are gonna be okay. Oh, the whole car took a big, jolt to it.
Yeah.
I think the rears are gonna be alright.
Yeah, I think they are too, but we're sending a package in. What does it matter?
Yeah, might as well come with everything.
Mr. Mark?
Mr. Mark. Dennis.
Watch out for my... Oh, is that aluminum spacer under too? The stock ones are steel.
Nope, that's totally steel right there. It's so heavy. What? What are you laughing
This
at?
is crazy. I love it.
What? You love the titanium?
Mm-hmm. You got it?
Put these on here. Oh wait, it was me. You know what? The nylon on the titanium doesn't work that well.
No, it doesn't. You've noticed
It looks
that?
like I'm just taking it off by hand, and the nylon's still on the actual thread. So
It's just enough.
I don't know. I don't know if I like it. Man.
Low dollar motorsport sensors. Very good sensors, right?
They work.
Yeah, they don't have an issue.
Put this frame rail here, huh? Ah! Oh my goodness. It's a tight fit. Ah! Stop laughing at me. These titanium bolts, they have such a small little head on them.
Don't worry about those.
It's fine.
It was leaking.
Hmm?
This line by accident. Oh my goodness.
Sabotage, you cut my brake lines.
Mm-hmm.
Trying to murder me.
This thing moves nice.
One beautiful piece of machinery out. Oh yeah, first try.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, I'm a professional Allen head size guesser. What you know about that?
So why do you have a shock sensor?
I think I went over it in another video when we were in Texas, but it shows me how far and how fast or slow my rear shocks are extending, so we can make adjustments based on that information.
You know, if we didn't have those, I guess.
We didn't have them for the longest time, and we're having crazy issues with the starting line, either wheelies or spinning, or it was too tight. And these things are so nice. They were preventing the car from extending, and it was pulling the tire back up and making it hot. It was a headache. It was definitely a headache for a while. Oh, this is attached on the inside. Can you look inside where this is and see where that goes?
That's in here.
Huh? Yeah. Shit kinda went everywhere. Are you okay? What's going on?
Yeah, you put the connector in here.
Oh.
So,
Well,
I'll cut it and just leave it alone. Just let it hang.
yeah.
We'll have you disconnect it.
I can pull the connector apart and then pull it through. Pull the wires through.
Yeah, just let it hang.
It's nice. Like it doesn't add any resistance or anything. It'll just be a little bit over there.
We have one for the front too, but we didn't put it on.
Look at that.
Did you grab the right one?
I grabbed the right one. I'm a genius.
You can also load plywood by yourself. Oh, you did it.
I can load plywood the wrong way. I don't need no man. And post a video about it and have 15 people say the same thing about how you should do it. But the way that they say I should do it would make me scrape the tailgate of the truck.
Wait, is that an anti-roll bar in the leaf spring car?
What? Oh my goodness.
A lot nicer than when you aligned your car a year or so ago. And
I swear that was you trying to kill me again.
And you used the impact on it.
Sabotage.
No, I know when you fixed it.
I went down the track like 4 times, scared to death because it would just go wherever it wanted. You're like, yeah, it's fine. And then you saw it and you're like, oh, maybe we should fix that.
Yeah. I got an idea.
Right in here. What, power tools? Is that your idea?
Yeah.
This is titanium.
That thing is gonna slow.
I'm gonna be done with this one. But I guess it's good for the next side. I guess I can take that off too. I mean, we're not gonna cut this thing out of the car, right? You got a 9/16 socket?
Let me fetch that for you.
Thanks. Oops. I feel like the jagged edge of the metal here is just ripping all my hair out. It's fantastic. This is gonna fit here. That is gonna fit there.
You don't need to undo that one.
Huh?
There's a special wrench for that. Is it turning it?
No.
Or it stripped it, right?
Yeah, it doesn't like it.
Yeah. I got the special wrench.
You got the special tool? Yeah, no, it doesn't like it. You got the one that wraps around it?
Yes. You know what I'm talking about? I believe it's called a line wrench.
I know what I'm talking about sometimes.
That's because you worked at AutoZone.
Get in the zone. Yep. I asked people if it was tool drive or 4-wheel drive. And they said, yep, it's got 4 wheels.
Nice should get for you right there.
Yeah, I need a... It's starting to drip already. Oh no, look at that. Just in time. You know what would be awesome for this right here? Those wrenches that we saw at PRI. The ratcheting open-end wrenches.
Weren't those titanium too?
I don't think so. But the guy gave me one, and I put it on my camera bag, and then it fell off somewhere. I'm really sad about that. Do you still have that guy's card? We should buy some of those. So it's funny, like the week before, I said it was weird that nobody invented those yet. Well, do they know someone did?
Undo it from any which way you like. Oh, because you go backwards and you forget to take it off?
No, it's just like, I can't find it and then it goes too far. It's out. Oh, yeah, it's delicious. Everywhere.
No, there's a clamp right there on it. You can undo that.
It's got a zip tie around it.
What? You got the cutters, and then that bolt just comes up.
It's there.
See that nut?
Yeah. Oh, that's not the right size.
This is.
This is the right size right there?
Right there, it's just fairly snug.
I need another drip pan.
Hold, please.
I'm gonna leak it all over the ground.
Hold on.
It's coming. Right there. Oh, first drip. I'm dripping everywhere. I'm making a mess. This side is so much easier to get to. Oh. Broke some of those.
I'm back.
You're back? You're a little late. I want to bring some rags with you. Just a rag. It's not leaking that bad.
Yeah, I'll lift out the front when I sabotaged you.
Yeah, well, you're
Oh, what am I doing outside? There's 2 underneath the freaking workbench.
We just decided to go for a walk.
You're getting down right there.
Yeah, I'm going so fast. Kelly would have had this done an hour ago.
Man,
Even though we started like an hour and 15 minutes ago.
Well, Kelly was kicking ass at the streetcar when I had to change the gears.
Kelly works like he's on flag time. I work like I'm on salary. He goes to town.
You work like you're on union.
Yeah. Well, let's put your stuff back together so you don't lose it like me, because I lose everything. It helps. This helps not lose stuff. But I'll probably still lose it. It's fine. I'll harvest all of my titanium. What?
You might want to use this.
Huh? Nope, I didn't like it. Ugh. CalTracs and leaf springs now, huh? This is going a little quicker than I thought.
You're doing fantastic. It's kind of cool. Just be back here.
I may need to call in the muscle for this. I'll punch myself in the face right now.
Look at you go. Both legs is doing you good, huh? Well, watch the tools.
Oh, I'm sorry.
So picky about my cinematography, but yet you use my stuff for your Instagram that gets you a lot of views and likes.
You could be a caveman and get those videos.
Hey, call me a caveman.
When you take those videos, you're a caveman. Oh, butt. Oh, let me get the butt.
Mm-hmm.
Jason's gonna be so proud I'm using power tools. Ow! My jacket's not a pillow, in case anyone was wondering.
In there. Jesus. So the brake lines are done, CalTracs off, so you gotta do the other one.
CalTracs and then
I'll put the jack in the middle, so get on that side. And then I'll put the jack in the middle, and then I'll jack it up a little bit.
Who's Jack? Huh?
And then we'll undo these. The sliders. Sliders aren't transferable, unfortunately.
I mean, they can be if you really want them.
Oh, BGs are bolted in. These are.
So buff. Oh, I can do this all the way around. I was just tightening it. That's fine. What are you doing back there?
Careful, SpongeBob! Careful, SpongeBob! Careful, SpongeBob! Careful, SpongeBob!
The thumbnail?
Huh?
Got the thumbnail right now.
No. Get out of my butt.
Probably gonna rotate forward.
It did a little bit.
Yep.
Not a lot. We're gonna take the backs out and then slide it
Yeah, we'll see the
down
jack.
the springs.
Maybe I just rotate the jack.
Yeah, the leaf springs are still holding it up. At what point do I rub this on my face and say that I'm a car girl?
When you buy a car and not really work on it.
The rear end is officially out. Ah! It's trying to uninstall itself. I need to see what you're doing. What are you doing here?
I'm doing it.
You're doing it? Oh, that's my back. This thing's jacked up to like the perfect position where it's uncomfortable standing up or like sitting up or like. Don't laugh at me. I don't have big arms like you. I gotta
Is that your foot up in there?
Yes, it's my foot. Ah! That was almost bad. That was almost really bad.
I think I got it on film too. Yeah. The whole thing, because I'm a good photographer.
You're a great cinematographer.
I should get awards.
Fantastic. The best.
I should get awards.
Ow! Jack just ripped my hair out. What a jerk.
I already moved it, so you moved it again.
Huh? Moved what?
This jack.
How to get under it?
The best time I've ever had pulling a rend out.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't have to do shit. This one's harder to use.
Yeah, because it doesn't have a gimbal. Because you've...
No, that gimbal ain't gonna fit a whole apparatus. We're not filming a freaking documentary.
Yeah, we are.
Actually, we are. We're not. Hey.
What?
No matter what we're doing, it's gonna be better than that stupid ass Batman we just seen. When has Batman ever knocked on a door?
Oh, come on. He's like a different angle.
Pretty limber. Did you do gymnastics?
I did. Not for very long. But I remember doing gymnastics.
Do it.
Oh, jeez. Oh, this one's a little harder.
Look at that.
Oh, that got a little warm. Yeah, that thing's crooked. Hopefully the pin on the leaf is still okay. Well, you see, I'm pushing it up, sir. And it's not.
Push right there. You're getting it. You're getting
I'm
it.
pushing up here.
Yeah.
See, you gave me the hard side.
Wow.
You broke it. Sabotage.
That one's in there tight. Look at this one.
That's the old tool. What? These things really didn't move that much. You can see where they were going. Ow!
That's your kneecap.
That was the spot that makes you kick. It's in there crooked. The top isn't touching here, and the top is touching on this side. So it's like, it's crooked in there.
Special tool.
That's the old tool. Whoa. Well, that came out.
Now the bushings should come out. I gotta do
Got
the thingy majigger.
the thing. Do the thing. Yeah. I should have gone the other way. That's fine. It doesn't like the angle. Oh! That was almost my eyeball. Okay,
Hold
I'm
on.
holding the rear end up right now.
Okay.
Ready? Oh. Well,
Oh, this one's really easy.
huh?
This one's really easy.
Oh, 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 oh. Whoa, 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 whoa. You're tilting.
Go lower down.
Huh? It's not even touching mine anymore. It's on the jack and your side.
Yeah. Let it tilt. Let it tilt. It's only gonna go so far and hit the bottom of the car.
I'm gonna lower the jack.
See? No.
Huh?
Leave it.
Leave it.
Leave it. Get the
I'm in a
spacers
very awkward position in here. Oh.
We got. Ooh.
Oh.
Got secrets here with the shims.
Huh? Secret shims? I don't think lowering blocks are
Well,
that secret.
no.
Oh,
Lowering blocks into shims.
the angle of the dangle shims?
Yep. Well, no.
Yeah.
The more shim you put in, it even increases the bar angle even more, and we have the bar angle.
The angle of the dangle.
It's magic
Yeah.
for these dumb leaf springs. I mean, we only
Excuse me, sir.
We only had a 110, which is
Excuse me, sir. Don't try and get points with Mark by calling him dumb.
Yeah, they're gonna have to fix
Huh?
this.
Yeah, they're both a little
You can press them and bend them over.
wonky.
Yeah, don't say fix them.
Yeah, it's fine.
Okay, pull this out so you can turn it out.
I'll pull you out. Just hold the rear end and I'll lower this down a little.
Yeah, you got it. You gotta disconnect that.
What?
Is it all disconnected?
It's all disconnected.
Okay, go ahead.
I did it.
Hold on.
What? What? Ah!
What?
I don't know.
What are you doing?
Something just flew at me. I think it was just something on the ground that the jack wheel ran over or something? Like a zip tie? I don't know. It just got pinched. And the wheel went straight for my face. Oh, there's a wall there. Oh. Ooh. Grab one in. Oh my gosh.
Okay.
I don't need you pulling out your back.
Okay.
These are some big bolts that hold this on when the leaf spring is held on by something way smaller. These aren't even tight.
They're just there.
Don't you dare go behind me right now.
They're just there.
Are you behind me right now?
No.
Are you lying to me? You're gonna take it. Oh. Ah. This is so pretty.
It's a 12 point.
This right here. Not that part, but like this. Look at that. What? Oh. It's just so pretty. And it just hides under the car.
That's a nice bolt.
That's really nice. See how it like keeps spinning? So nice.
These look bent right here.
Huh?
These little brackets.
See how that just kept spinning? Look at that. Oh my goodness. I can play with this all day. Look at that.
I know how good the titanium is.
Look at that. Sorry, I'm being a child right now. This is gonna be awkward.
Wasn't so bad. Is that another handsome bolt?
It's a very handsome bolt right there. You know what? It'll come off eventually. Camera.
Look at the hair in his mouth.
Is it still there? Oh. You got both phones out and the camera, look at you.
That doesn't mean I'm gonna get anything good.
No, it doesn't. Just all of a sudden it's like, no, I don't like it. Oh, it's fine.
That's not titanium.
It's not titanium.
Grab the back of the leaf spring and tilt it back and forth.
I'll grab the back of your leaf spring.
Not sure what that means, but I'm game.
Just shake it until it comes apart. That's how you do it.
I don't know how good I'm filming right now. Fixing this light.
Horrible.
Probably.
Look at that. See, I did it.
Told you. You grab the back of the leaf spring.
I did it.
Wiggle it.
Back off, I figured it out.
How strong is this clam, though? You know, it's like
You know, strong enough. Strong enough to go 109 60 foot and break the rear end. Yeah, that clam right there, that's stronger than a 8.8 rear end. That's what that is.
people are gonna go clam. What the hell? Are you clam? This one's just gonna fall off.
How learn your lingo if they're gonna be watching these videos.
I don't think this car's ever been so bare.
I don't think this car's ever been so smushed. Oh, there we go. Let's go on the light. Ah! You scratched the paint? What? On the car?
They're just spitting bolts out.
I'm just like in an awkward position up here. I could just sit outside of the car, but what's the fun in that?
Probably gonna fall. It's heavy. Oh, look at that.
Buff, what are you talking about? It's heavy.
Wow, what do you think about that?
What? About me being buff? Yeah, it's cool.
Let me see the
I live
interview.
with it every day.
Let me see the interview.
Huh?
Okay, go.
What? What are you laughing at? Don't laugh at me.
Poor thing.
You know how absolutely depressing this is? Like, this is a bummer.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a bummer.
You can tell where we moved the springs in on this one.
Oh, yeah.
We notched it an inch.
We should have just put it inside the frame, but at the time we didn't know we were...
Well, this whole frame's gonna be gone on the next car. Or we can cut half of it out. I don't know, it depends on what we're doing.
It's just, I don't know, man. It's rough.
I know.
Like, it's cool that we're making progress, which means that we're a step closer to the next car, but that still means I'm saying goodbye to this car. I don't like it.
Well, there's a lot of it that's going to be on another car.
Yeah. Marley, what are you doing?